Hello friends, this is Dr. MiteshGala. Welcome to the online teaching resource.
Hi, we're getting into linear inequation, the second exercise, that is exercise 15b. Alright, and this exercise is very important because usually in the exam you're going to see a question based on this exercise, and this is very much connected to your previous exercise. In the previous exercise we understood how to solve the inequation and how to write the solution set, but now we are going to understand how to represent the same on a number line. Okay, so there are few do's and few don'ts. So before we get onto the number line, just quickly revising what we did in the earlier video. So you had three things, if you remember. X belongs to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, and less than, equal to. These were the four signs, and we are very much familiar with these four signs. Then we also understood W, N, I, and R, correct? So you have to write solution set in all the cases. So for example, if X is greater than 3, how will you write the solution set in all these four cases? So when it is whole number, X is greater than 3, obviously, or let's take it as X is greater than minus 3. Okay, so if X is greater than minus 3, whole number starts from 0 and it will go till infinity. It can't stop, right? Natural numbers starts from 1 and it will again go till infinity. Since it's greater than minus 3, I can't include minus 2 because that's what is not allowed in whole numbers and natural. But if it is integers, then I shall take minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and till infinity. And if it is a real number, now if you remember these three cases, we said it's going to be list form, and for real numbers it's going to be set builder form. So when it is a set builder form, what do I mean by that? X, where X belongs to R and X is greater than minus 3. So you need to write the range as well as what is X belonging to. So both the conditions, once you support, you've written it in the set builder form. Because you remember last time I asked you a question, if this is greater than minus 3, what will the number be? Minus 2? It can be minus 2.9999, you do not know till when. So you cannot write it in the list form, therefore you write it in the set builder form. So these two things. And the third thing, do you remember the most important thing I told you? Always take X on the positive side, so you never go wrong. Now this is sorted. We are getting into number lines. Okay, so number line, let's take for the same example, when X is greater than minus 3. How are you going to write the number line? So whole numbers, solution set is right over there. So how will you write the number line? So first draw your number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take 1 centimeter as 1 unit and use a pencil and a scale. No pen, no color pencils, normal pencil. Okay. For these three things, 1, 2 and 3, we are going to use dots. Whereas for the fourth thing, we are going to use IC method, that is for real numbers. What is IC method? I will explain you. First, let's understand dots. X is greater than minus 3, that means it's minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, till where? We don't know, till infinity. So what you do is put an arrow above it to tell us that you are taking it further till infinity. I am putting 5 as well. So all these dots, rest just marks. So dots indicate that they are included and this arrow indicates that it is going till infinity. Exactly the same way when it is natural, again we shall draw a number line. Same thing, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Negative 1, negative 2. I am wrong over here, right? Because whole numbers start from 0. So these two things I have already put a dot, which is absolutely wrong. So these are not the dots, these are same, just marks. My bad, I am sorry. The next one, natural numbers will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till infinity. So again an arrow. Do you understand infinity? How are you going to represent? Great. Now integers. So for integers, again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Starts from negative 2 and goes till infinity. So negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and infinity, so arrow. So are we clear at least with these three, that is whole numbers, natural numbers and integers. Now for the last one, real numbers, the most important one, we are using the IC method. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. You can even add minus 5. Okay. Now when it is x is greater than minus 3, it's not minus 2, it's even this point, which could be 2.999 or whatever, right? So it could be anything over here, so you need to be smart. So there is a difference. Whenever you are going to use I, when it is inclusive means equal to sign is there along with these signs. And you're going to use C when it is not inclusive. So you got to look at this particular sign. So in this case it is not inclusive, so you're going to use C. If it is on the left hand side, you use a reverse C. If it is on the right hand side, you use normal C. So now since x is greater than minus 3, so reverse C on minus 3. Until where? So till infinity. So you draw a line and shade it like this to say that it has gone till infinity. Okay, we will do few more examples on R right now so that you understand what exactly R is. So pay attention. There could be different options with R. Now if x belongs to or let's say x is greater than minus 2 or minus 1, then x is smaller than minus 1, x is greater than equal to minus 1, and x is smaller than equal to minus 1. With minus 1 we are taking all four of them. Okay. So the first one, how will I draw? X is greater than minus 1. Okay, now this is not inclusive, these two are inclusive. So you are going to use C over here, and here we are going to use I. So greater than minus 1, so C, since it's on the left hand side, so ulta C, and goes till infinity. So you draw this. Okay, likewise the next one, this is x greater than minus 1. Now x is smaller than minus 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the other side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now x is smaller than minus 1. Smaller matlab on this side, not on this side. And C we'll have to do, but this time since you're going on this side, you use a normal C because it's now become the right hand side. So direction of the arrow is very, very important. And then you draw this part as a shaded part. That means all this is included. The next one, x is greater than equal to minus 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Greater than equal to means you're going to use I on minus 1. And x is greater. So greater means you have to go on the right hand side. Again shaded. Simple. So instead of a curve, you're putting a I because it's inclusive. Likewise for the last one, when x is not inclusive but less than minus 1. So in that case it is going to go on the left hand side. So I, since it is inclusive, so I on minus 1, and x is smaller, that means it has to go on this side, and you shade it. So depending on this sign, all the sums will change. See, these two are exactly same, but it's just that C and I, because inclusive here and here not inclusive. Exactly the same way for this. You understand it now? Now some do's and don'ts. Number 1, number line should have arrows on both sides. Compulsory. If you not put these arrows over here 1 and 2, you will lose 1 mark. The number line will go wrong. Number 2, extra coordinates on both sides. Now what do I mean by this extra coordinates? For example, if x was only 1, 2 and 3, let's say a whole number, then I would have plotted 1, 2 and 3. I should write at least, and say 4 also. If x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 whole number, and I am plotting this on the number line, and if I draw it this way, I lose 1 mark because I have not put an extra coordinate on this side. It's only up to 4. So put an extra coordinate which is not inclusive to say that it is not till infinity. Alright, so that extra coordinate on both sides is very, very important. Don't forget that. So number 1, arrows on both sides. Number 2, extra coordinates on both sides. Number 3, always in pencil. You can never use pen. Always in pencil. Never use pen. Otherwise you will lose 1 mark. Okay, so these three prerequisites you should know very well. Last thing, just in case if this was 1.5, all right, so x is smaller than 1.5, then you go to 1.5, okay, and from here you will draw it, and then here you should mention negative 1.5. Sorry, 1.5 is here, but let's take it 0.5. So this will be 0.5, and you should mention this number here, although it is right at the center, but if you do not mention, 1 mark again lost. So decimals should be mentioned on number line, compulsory. Okay, so these 4 do's you need to do, otherwise you will lose your marks. So let's now try a sum that you know exactly what number lines are. Let's get on to sum number 1. So first thing, normal solving. Second thing, solution set compulsory. And third thing, the number line. So you need to do all 3 things. So let's solve. Come on, pause the video on your own, try it and get me the sum. So x smaller than minus 2 plus 5. So I shall get x smaller than 3. Now x belongs to natural number. So what is my solution set in this case? X is smaller but natural. So natural starts from 1 and 2. Can't include 3 because it is not inclusive. How will I draw it on the number line? So use a pencil and a scale. No freehander, please. So 0, 1, 2, 3. I will point on 0 and 2. I have put one extra coordinate. Better put one more to be safe. Arrows I have checked, and I have also drawn it with a pencil. So 3 things always remember: arrows, dots, extra coordinates, and number 3 in pencil. Clear? Easy? You will have 1 mark for this, 1 mark for the solution set, and 1 mark for the number line. So from here, if you directly draw number line and you do not write solution set, you will still lose 1 mark. So please don't do that mistake. Come on, let's get on to the second question. Pause, do it on your own. 3 parts: solving, solution set, number line. Let's hit it. So 3x greater than 6, x greater than 2, and x belongs to whole numbers. So what is my solution set? Don't directly jump onto the number line. X is greater than 2, so it will be 3, 4, 5 till infinity. We do not know till where. So let's draw the number line. So it's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. 3 is included, 4 is included. Let's draw 5 also and 6 also. So all these are included till infinity. So I'll have to draw this arrow as well to say that it is gone till infinity. Are you getting it? Brilliant. Let's go with the next one. Sum number 3. I'm sure you're managing it. Come on, hit it. So minus 3x as it is, less than minus 15 minus 12. So minus 3x less than minus 27. Now here the catch is, you remember, always take x on the positive side. Don't directly cancel the minus keeping the sign same. It will mess up everything, okay? So I will get 27 this side and 3x on the other side. So 9 is lesser than x, and x belongs to real. So how is my solution set going to be? Since it's real, set builder. X where x belongs to real and 9 is less than x. That's how my solution set should be. How will I draw this? Very important, huh? So put 0 on this side because you've got to go till 9 and beyond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Add 10, 11, 12. Minus 1, minus 2. 9. Will you draw a C or an I? Obviously C, because it's not inclusive. Facing that side, because you got to move this side since x is bigger till infinity. So match these two arrows and shade it. Clear? It's a very good question. Let me just check if I have done it correctly. 15b sum number 3. Yeah, it's absolutely correct. In the textbook they've given a dot and a hollow circle. Avoid that method because at times we can't understand when you draw a circle or a hollow it is or it's a bold circle. So it's better to use IC, very clearly understood by the teacher and allowed in the boards as well in thin standard. So let's go with the fifth one. Come on, pause. Everyone hit it on your own. So 8x less than equal to 24 plus 8. So 8x less than equal to minus 16. x less than equal to minus 2, and x belongs to z. Z is integers. Very good. So what is my solution set going to be? X is smaller than minus 2 or equal to. Okay, so it's going to be from infinity minus 4 minus 3 include minus 2. That's it, not beyond that. Okay, so how is the number line going to look like? Come on, pause the video, try on your own and show me how the number line will look. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, this is z, so I'll have to just put dots all these while, because it is less than, x is smaller than minus 2 and equal to, so come till minus 2 and show an arrow for infinity. Let me check if I have done it in the correct sense. Yes, we've done it correct. Yeah, are you getting a good hand on it? It's a very scoring topic, so please see to it you do it very well. Next, let's get on to sum number 6. All sums are the same, nothing new now. Whatever has to be taught is given, now you should practice. So getting 3 on the other side, so 8x plus 3x greater than equal to 35 plus 9. So I will get 11x greater than equal to 44. So x is greater than equal to 4 and x belongs to natural number. So my solution set greater than equal to, so I'll take 4, 5, 6 and so on. How will the number line look? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Put dots since it's n. So starting from 4, 5, 6, 7 till infinity. So put an arrow as well. Got it? Let me check if I am correct. Sixth one, x greater than equal to 4. Absolutely perfect. Are you getting it? Put this arrow. In the textbook it's shown that you darken this arrow, but it's not very visible. Better put an arrow so it's understood and it's accepted as well. Eighth one, come on, all the best. So taking the LCM as 5, multiplying each number by 5. So this will become 2x plus 5 and minus 15. So 2x minus 20. So x minus 10. Now x is smaller than minus 10 and x belongs to real. Okay. So how will I write my solution set? X where x belongs to R and x is less than minus 10. Okay. So I'll have to shift 0 on this side because x is smaller than minus 10. So I'll need more negative digits. You can always do that. No one can ask you why you did it. So I'll have to at least add few more numbers after 10. So let me add 11 and 12 as well. Okay, till 11 I'm doing. Now C, because it's smaller and not equal to, so it's going to be C this side and it goes till infinity. So I will do it this way. 1 and 2 and 3 just for decoration. You don't need it actually. So it's going to be on the other side with not inclusive. Okay. So sum number 8. Yeah, that's absolutely correct. In fact, I could have shifted 0 more on this side also. So it would have been more on here. I would have shown minus 12 or something. Anyways, you can do that. Let's go to the next one. Sum number 10. Come on, everyone pause. This time x belongs to W. So it's going to be dot. W, I and N dots. R is going to be that shading with IC method. Come on, hit it. So LCM is 6. So multiplying each term by 6 in my head. So 3 1s are 2s are, so 2 2s are 4x, 5 6s are 30, less than equal to 2 1s are 3s are, so 3x, and 6 6s are 36. 3 coming on the other side, so only x, or should I write it? 4x minus 3x less than equal to 36 minus 30. So this is going to be only x less than equal to 6. Okay, and x belongs to W. So my solution set should be what? X is smaller starting from 0 since it's whole numbers and equal to 6, so I shall include 6 as well. Come on, draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, putting some extra coordinates on either sides so that my marks are not deducted, and now dots 0 till 6. Yeah, 0 till 6. No markers, sketch pens allowed, pencil. This has to be in pencil. This has to be in pen. Very clear? I thought this is going to be a very difficult sum, so I left an entire page. Anyways, let's go to the next one, sum number 11. Now here you've already been given the replacement set. That's your replacement set. So your numbers on the number line cannot be anything else beyond this, and even in your solution set only this much is what it's confined to. Okay, so let's solve this, then I'll tell you what to do with this if you're not getting it. 5x minus 10 greater than 4x plus 12 minus 24. So 5x minus 4x greater than minus 12 plus 10. So I will get x greater than minus 2. Now x is bigger than minus 2. So my solution set should be bigger than minus 2. So all these numbers from here on, okay, these will not be taken, this will be taken because it's bigger than. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Show it on the number line with dots because this is not inclusive of all the decimals in between. It's only including the numbers, the whole numbers or the natural integers basically. So minus 1 included, 0 included, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's it. Beyond that, not included. Is that clear? Because that's what your representation set is. So you need, replacement set is. So you should look at the replacement set if given. If not given, no problem. Okay. Next one, sum number 12. Come on, this is a good question. Again, the replacement set, nothing new. I'm just doing it for your practice. So let's open it. Multiplying each by 3 as the LCM. So 3 cancels, I'll get 2x minus 2 plus 12 less than 30. So 2x less than 30. This is going to be plus 10 coming on the other side, minus 10. So 2x less than 20. X is less than 10. So all numbers less than 10 from the replacement set only. So all less than 10 will be minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, 3, 6 and 8. 12 I cannot take because it has to be less than 10. I hope we're doing it correct. Let me check. X is less than 10. Perfect. So whatever we've taken is absolutely right. But now on the number line, you got to be little smart. You can't be marking everything. You just have to mark these numbers. So go until 8 and some extra coordinates as well. And this side you'll have to go till minus 8 and some extra coordinates as well. So there you go. Minus 8 inclusive, minus 6, minus 4, 3, 6 and 8. That's it. Nothing else. You are not going to plot any of these points because only specific numbers have to be taken from the replacement set. If you do not do that, you will mess up everything. Okay. So with that, we've completed everything. Now a pure recap from sum number 13 onwards. So all sums you are going to do it without my help at all. So come on, hit it. 13 part 2 belongs to integers. So first let's solve. 3 2s are 6x minus 3 greater than equal to 4x plus 6. So I will get 2x greater than equal to 9. So basically it's going to be x greater than equal to 4.5. And it belongs to integers. It's greater than 4.5. So my solution set should be greater than 4.5 would be 5 onwards, 6, 7 and that's it till infinity. Sorry, not that's it, till infinity. Remember that. So this is 13 part 2, 5, 6, 7 and till infinity. So let's draw it on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 5 is there, 6, 7, 8 till infinity. Are you getting it? How many of you all got it correct? Good job. Pat yourself. You're doing really, really well. Let me know in the comment section if you're getting all of them and I'll be very impressed. Come on, let's go ahead with this one. 13 part 3. So 4 2s are 8 minus 6x, 4x minus 20. So x on the positive side. Don't take this on the negative side, otherwise you'll mess up. So 8 plus 20, 4x plus 6x. So 28 less than equal to 10x. So 2.8 less than equal to x. So x is bigger than 2.8 and belongs to whole numbers. So therefore my solution set will be bigger than this. The next whole number is 3, 4, 5 till infinity. So let's draw the number line. This is 13 part 3. I'll just check if I have done it correct. Yes, it's absolutely correct. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and some numbers on the other side. So 3, only dots, 4, 5, 6 till infinity. Clear? Come on, next one, 13 part 4. I'm trying to take all different type of questions. Here they say x belongs to only negative integers. So no 0. 0 is not a negative, neither a positive. Remember that, okay? So 0 and all positive numbers not allowed. What is allowed is only negative numbers. So let's solve this first. Pause. Don't cheat. Come on, try on your own. 4 3s are 12x plus 4 and 4 2s are 8x minus 2. So 8 comes on the other side, so it becomes 4, and 4 goes on the other side, so negative 6. So x is greater than negative 6 by 4. So x is greater than 2 2s are 3s are, so negative 1.5. Now x belongs to only negative numbers. So what is my solution set going to be? X is bigger than this minus 1.5. So bigger than minus 1.5, only one negative number is there. That's minus 1. Because x is bigger than that. So I can't take any other negative numbers. Good question. They are actually trapping us nicely. So on your number line, just 1 point you need to plot. So nothing else inclusive, only minus 1. Don't write negative 1.5, not required. That you have to write only when it is real. Okay, that was the rule I taught you. Only for real, not for anything else. Come on, the last one, 6th. Everybody should get this. Come on, hit it. So minus 2x minus 16, 8. Taking 2 on the positive side. So minus 16 minus 8 less than 2x. So minus 24 less than 2x. So minus 12 less than equal to x. So now x is bigger than minus equal to 12 and x belongs to real. So how will I write the solution set? X where x belongs to R and minus 12 is less than equal to 12. Now we'll have to take minus 12 into consideration and numbers bigger than that, okay? So go till minus 12. For that, let's do it ulta this time. Minus 15 I'm starting from. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't write beyond, so let it be this much only. X is equal to, so I method, not IC, yeah, IC but not C, I, okay? So equal to, therefore on 12 and I, and let's go and match this with the arrow and shade it. So that everything is included till infinity. In fact, if you want to write a 0 and 1 as well, to say that 0 and the positive numbers also are included. Even if you do not write, it's absolutely fine. This much also is good. Homework, you must do sum number 4, 7, 9, 13 part 1 and 5. I'm sure you got a good hand on this topic by now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment section. I'm repeating one more thing. There is, in the comment section you will see a catalog which tells you about 21-22. In the year 2021-22 there is a curriculum plan going on from my side where I'll be teaching everything for standard 9 and standard 10, including the test series. The cost and everything is involved, which is mentioned in the catalog. Go through it. If you got any doubts, let me know, and do join the program. It's really going to be helpful. It's coming at a very, very low price for all of you all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, pray for everyone, and be honest. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do write your math experience in the comment section. Thank you.